Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Adi here. So in today's video we are going to review about INDMoney India stock account. So if you are not aware of this thing, then you should know that just like your Zerodha or your Grow or Upstocks, you can create your demat account under INDMoney. So INDMoney is a SEBI registered DP broker. So there is nothing illegal in creating the account here. It will be normal like your Zerodha or any other demat or broker account. So I have already created this one I think last month, end of last month, and I have started trading on 12th. I have done some investment in 12th. So I'll go through this and I'll give my review how it is, whether you should consider if you are new to investment or if you have a secondary demat account. So let the video get started and discuss about it. Okay, so to create your demat account under INDMoney, so you have to follow the same process as like your Zerodha or any other demat account. You have to do your KYC. So basically it does digital KYC like your Aadhaar number, PAN number and all those things, e-signature. Then once it is done, then it will take generally 24 hours or 48 hours to get your account activated. Once it's activated, you can get a email like this, like your stocks account is successfully created under INDMoney. Now you are ready for to invest in IND stocks and all those things. You can see it's my congratulations Aditya, and all those things is done. And inside this you will get an account opening form which you will show your DP ID, your client ID and all those things. All the details will be there. So once it is created, then you are ready for investment. So once your account is created, just remember this will be linked with your SBM bank account in which you do your US trading. So even if I have added our other account or my other bank account to INDMoney, but it will by defaulted add your SBM bank account as a default account for this demat account. So what you have to do once your KYC is done and is ready for investment, so basically you have to add to your wallet. So you can see you have to add, let's say I have added on 12th Jan some let's say 10,000. So it's like just like how you're doing US stock investing, you have to add. So you can see add money. Once you have click on add money, then it you have to mention, and once add money you click, then you can add it through UPI and then it will be added. You can do it through NEFT or bank transfer, but there will be additional charge which we'll discuss later. So this one you can add here money. So once you add it, then it will show you in your wallet. So you can see currently I have added 10,000 and I have done some trading. Now 87.41 is available, so rest it's already used in the trading. So how you have to do, you can go here, let's say you want to buy Reliance, so you just have to click here. So here you want to add, let's say one quantity, then you can see your approximately 2477.67. so you can just go here, and because I don't have a amount, it's showing add money. Once you have already added money, then you can just click on buy, so it will be added to your account. So I did some trading in 12th of Jan. So I'll show you. So you can see here. So I'll show you only one stocks which I am holding in this one. Other stock it will be hidden. So you can see I have added 10,000. So out of that 87.41 is still available in my account. So I have already 240 rupees return in, I think you can say 3 to 4 days. So 2.43 because I added 12th of January. I have done all my transaction. So I'm still having 240 rupees in 4 days. That is fine. So this is how you have to do your trading and account opening process. The next we are going to check about how many fees or what are the fees you have to pay, how it is, let's say we will compare it to Zerodha and know how it is different from Zerodha. Should we invest here with the fees or not? So next let's discuss about the fees. Okay, so if we are going to discuss about the fees, so you can see there is no fees on account opening, and there is KYC, there is no fees. AMC charges, there is no fees. So unlike your Zerodha which is I mean you have to pay 300 rupees annual charge, maintenance charge with GST, but here no MC, and you have to pay brokerage per intraday or for equity delivery. You have to pay 0.05% of your trading amount or up to 20 rupees. So similarly, this structure you can see more similar to Grow or Upstocks, where you have to pay on brokerage amount instead of AMC. But in Zerodha you have to pay AMC, but in Zerodha you don't have to pay anything for your equity delivery, but here you have to pay 0.05% of your trading volume. So you can see other charges here are same. These are the regulatory charges, the STT, stamp duty, SEBI turnover, or if you see the depository charges. So it is same as in all your DP accounts. So you can see DP charge per delivery per sale order, intraday buy and sell 0, deliver 13.5 per script. So it is same. But if you see, go to other charges, as I mentioned, deposit using net banking you have to pay 10 rupees. So this is one of the catch here. So if you are adding amount to your wallet, then make sure you are using UPI, because if you use net banking then you have to pay extra 10 rupees for each each time you are adding amount through net banking. So these are the fees, and I have already shown you how you can use, how effective it is. So I will suggest, if you are interested in to have one app with having all your investment like your mutual fund, US stocks, Indian stocks or bonds, then you can go for INDMoney. Or if you want to have a secondary demat account after your Zerodha account, because I use Zerodha as a primary account, so which is one of the best in the country. If you want to use some secondary account, let's say you want to hold some long-term stocks and you want to have another account, then you can go for this one. So I will suggest only if you want any secondary account or you want all your investment inside one app, let's say INDMoney app, then you can go for this demat account. Otherwise you should use Zerodha as your primary demat account for trading and all those things. So I hope this review of INDMoney Indian stocks account is helpful to you. So please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So thank you everyone.